If you're a videographer who's just starting their creative journey, here's 3 big picture ideas that I'd like to share with you. I know it sounds simple, but tip number 1, if you want to be a videographer, you have to start making videos. It doesn't matter how much your camera costs, it doesn't matter if you make it on your phone, you just have to start making content, jump off the diving board. Trust me, I know it's hard, but you gotta do it, gotta start making content and do it now. My second piece of advice is build a reputation. Now that's only gonna happen once you put in the work of creating content and sharing it, but soon your friends and family, they're gonna start viewing you as a videographer. So that means when they go to get married or start a small business or have an anniversary party, they're gonna think of you, they're gonna give you that call or write you a DM, and you're gonna get a chance to book those clients. Last but not least, you need to find your mentors. I believe these are special people that are in your life just waiting to be found. They have the right knowledge and experience to help you, and something about you reminds them of what it's like to be young or just starting. So go out there, start creating, share your work with others, build a reputation, and then find the right people who are gonna help you elevate your work and go to the next level. If you found value in this video, please smash that like, share, and subscribe button. I'm Chris Martinez, and this is Super Heavy.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling.